The Zulai Juice Vortex. The Zulai Juice Vortex is amazing. It juices so much fruit at just the push of a button. You just cut the fruit in half, place it into the juicer, replace the lid, and press the button. So simple. The 360 degrees all-directional motor will get rid of all the pulp residues out of the juice without having to deseed the fruit or having to peel off the skin. It can juice oranges, lemons, limes, apples, pears, grapes, pomegranates, and watermelon. It's easy to use, clean, and store. You save yourself time and effort. Simply unlock the lid to disassemble the parts and wash the citrus press juicer with water using the included cleaning brush, then wipe the main juicer engine with a wet cloth. Compared to bulky juicers, the Zulai Juice Vortex Orange Juicer saves tons of space in your kitchen. It's also rechargeable and 100% portable. It has a lockable lid, a leak-proof juice outlet, non-slip feet, and a 360-degree all-direction juice grinder, yielding so much nutritious juice. The Zulai Juice Vortex is the ultimate portable juicer that can be carried anywhere in your bag for any outdoor adventure. This USB-C rechargeable electric citrus juicer is powerful enough to last numerous juicing sessions. Choose your color. The 6-grid rotating cereal dispenser. The grid food dispenser is made of food-grade PET plus ABS materials. The storage dispenser has 6 grid storages so that the food will not be messy or mix. The transparent visual design of the storage dispenser body makes it easy to check the remaining amount every time. The 360 degrees rotatable design is convenient to help take what you need at will. With its convenient cover, you can stack them without collapsing. The rotating food dispenser features one-touch pressing, compartment design, sorting storage, and more. There is no need to open the lid every time to take the grain, avoiding multiple contacts and contact with air, which is healthier and more hygienic. It has a total capacity of 12 pounds. Instead of using 6 containers to store 6 different dry food, this one will help you store all in one. It's ideal for rice, grains, beans, barley, millet, but not suitable for snacks, candy, oat, sugar, and cashews. There is a small box in the middle where you can put some garlic and anise to help keep bugs away. The 6-grid rotating cereal dispenser being transparent makes it very simple and convenient to clean since dirt particles can be seen easily. The Soup Fat Oil Separator. The Soup Fat Oil Separator ladle with filter hole design allows you to drink soup without consuming too much grease or soup slag. The less oil you consume, the healthier your life will be. The thickened stainless steel scoop's ergonomic handle design is non-slip and has a comfortable hand grip. First, you must learn how to correctly separate the soup from the fat using the proper method. If done incorrectly, you won't achieve the expected results. You draw the soup on the larger side of the ladle, let it rest for 15 seconds, and then gently separate it. The Soup Fat Oil Separator spoon is made of solid stainless steel, and because water has a higher density than grease, it can be filtered by the ladle. The heft and sturdiness of the ladle are enhanced by an integrated molding, making it easy to clean and use. The oil floating on top of the soup is bad for losing weight and staying healthy. This gadget allows you to drain it while the soup is still hot when you serve it. The idea behind a fat separator is that fat floats to the top of a container and you are able to strain the desired liquid from the bottom of the container, then pour off the fat. This product utilizes the physical properties of grease having a density lower than water. The ingenious small hole design at the bottom of the ladle can easily separate water and grease. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar's all-in-one premium kitchen gadgets makes it quick and easy to prepare delicious meals at home. It comes with so many safety features, and whether you're cooking for yourself, entertaining friends, or feeding a hungry family, Fullstar has got you covered. The 5 interchangeable blades include one adjustable spiralizer, a julienne blade that can be adjusted to produce a ribbon cut, a julienne medium, and a julienne thin. It also incorporates a mandolin blade, a grater blade, and 2 chopper blades, a large dicer and a small one. It has a cleaning brush and a scraper, which makes cleaning that much easier. It also has a place to arrange all of your blades in order to keep you organized. Our catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient. No mess and no messing around. It makes cleaning effortless, and our non-slip base also makes your slicing, chopping, and grating that much easier. Plus, the slicer chopper is entirely dishwasher safe. With 5 interchangeable blades, this kitchen gadget meets all of your slicing, grating, and chopping needs. Choose the perfect thickness of your sliced vegetables with the easy-to-use adjuster dial, and select the ideal size for your chopped vegetables by simply changing the inserts. This product is fun, quick, and really simple to use. Get yourself one today. The 10-pack fridge organizer. The 10-pack fridge organizer saves a lot of space in refrigerators and allows you to easily organize your fridge, kitchen, and pantry to store foods or other items. It is ideal for most refrigerators, freezers, cupboards, and drawers. The fridge organizer and lid are made of PET materials, and the transparent design allows you to easily see the food inside, as well as better organize and classify fruits and vegetables, keeping your refrigerator odorless, clean, and organized. The fridge organizer has a tray and dripping hole design at the bottom to elevate produce away from moisture and can be directly stored after cleaning. This will help keep food fresh and extend the shelf life of food in the fridge. The fridge organizer is not suitable for dishwashers and microwaves. The heating and washing function of dishwashers may cause product deformation, and plastic products generally cannot be heated directly in the microwave oven. Introducing the dish drying mat. A soft absorbent mat that will revolutionize the way you dry your hand-washed dishes. Say goodbye to puddles, wet dish towels, and hard-to-store plastic drain boards. The dish drying mat provides the ultimate in water absorption, as well as durability and protection for your dishes and countertops. And storing it is a snap. The secret to the dish drying mat is its patented design. A thin layer of foam is sandwiched between 2 layers of super absorbent microfiber. Watch closely. The unique weave of the microfiber disperses moisture, allowing your dish drying mat to dry in no time. Best of all, the thin layer of foam creates a cushioned surface that cradles delicate dishes and stemware. And when it's time to clean your dish mat, it couldn't be easier. Just put it into the washing machine. And because of its unmatched durability, it comes out looking like new. Wash after wash, use after use. Learn what millions have already discovered. Drying hand-washed dishes will never be the same thanks to the revolutionary dish drying mats.